guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why that just felt so uncomfortable. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a review on these glasses that I got here from EyeBuyDirect, but more specifically on like the blue light lenses and just all about those because it's a frankly new kind of thing, and I think it's really important to use blue light glasses, lenses, whatever you want to say, same difference, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So I am partnered with EyeBuyDirect on this video, and they so generously sent me a couple pairs of glasses for me to review and talk to you guys about and just kind of inform you about all this stuff, okay? So for those of you who don't know, EyeBuyDirect is an online eyewear retailer. You can get prescription glasses, just normal glasses, like the blue light glasses, or you can get sunglasses, and so I'm going to start off with some sunglasses. So these are the two pairs of sunglasses that I got. This first pair is just a nice black on black aviator style. I've really been digging this kind of style lately. I feel like it just especially with my new short hair, it just complements my face really well, and there's such nice quality, and the lens is just so clear. They're really great, they're really great glasses. You know, I'm used to my cheap like $5 pair, and these really, you could really tell the difference now between good sunglasses and cheap sunglasses, because these are really nice. So these are like for sure ride or dies for me. And then the second pair, these are super fun. They're like a cat eye, they're all black, and then they have the silver metal detailing on the top, and then the bridge right here on the nose is silver as well. And these are just a more fun, like flirty kind of style, and they're nice and good quality plastic, you know, like, I don't want to say bulky because they're not bulky, but sturdy. They're sturdy. So, you know, if you throw them around, it doesn't feel like they're just gonna like crack in two like a $5 pair would. You know what I mean? So yeah, great sunglasses. 10 out of 10 recommend. And then jumping into the eyeglasses, so you can get prescription eyeglasses off the website. If you have your prescription and everything, you just put in all those details and then you get your prescription glasses sent right to your home, which is super convenient and a lot cheaper than, I don't know about you guys, but my eye doctor, it's a lot cheaper than my eye doctor. So it's super cost effective. They have so many styles, and they also have this feature where you can like take a picture of yourself and like try the glasses on your face on the picture to see like what it would look like on you, since it's all online. That's a super neat feature. So these first pair of glasses I'm so obsessed with. These are the glasses. I'm trying not to get the glare in them, but this is what they look like. They are so cute, and I will also leave all of the links to the glasses I'm showing you guys and their name, everything in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. If you specifically like these ones or any of the other ones I show you, it'll all be listed down below, so be sure to check that out. But yeah, these I'm so obsessed with. I've always wanted a pair of clear, like translucent plastic frames, and these are just the perfect ones. I love the more rectangular shape on them, and as you could tell by the glare, you see like the blue, it's more of a blue glare. That's because it has the blue light coating on the glasses. And so I will dig into that and how amazing this blue light coating is in one moment, because I'm going to show you my other pair that I got. So, oh, and they all came in this like super nice little cloth bag. So these are the other pair that I got. Pretty different. I wanted kind of different various styles. It's a nice like circular style with the gold metal frame, and so these are really adorable. I love these a lot. And these also, you can see in the reflection on like the glare on the glasses that they have that blue glare rather than just like a normal one. And so also these will be linked down below as well. These are so amazing. They are also made so well, so don't think that just because it's more cost effective you're not getting as nice of quality, because trust me, you are. yeah, these are like just as nice as the kind of glasses that you would try on for like hundreds and hundreds of dollars at the eye doctor. They are so nice, and you know, they get the job done. They give me vision. So I love that about them. So now digging into blue light glasses and the blue light coating that you can get on your prescription glasses like I have. It's so important, and I don't think I realized this until I read up a lot more on it, and now that I have these glasses and I've used them, I'm like, whoa, this is amazing. So the blue light glasses help your eyes adjust to the blue light that gets emitted from your phone, your laptop screen, computer screen, TV screen, any kind of like technology screen. It emits a blue light that kind of tricks your human eye into thinking almost like that it's still daylight. It'll cause headaches and disorientation, and it'll throw off your sleep schedule because it tricks your eye that it's still daylight, and so then your vision and your eye is telling your brain to stay awake. So this is especially like amazing for, you know, if you're doing your little night routine like how I do. I take my contacts out, put on my glasses because I can't see anything without my glasses. Call me Velma, okay? So iPhones, they now have this like nighttime setting on it, which it turns off that blue light, but it really doesn't turn it off all the way. So for example, I was just going to bed last night. I was just about to fall asleep, you know, scrolling Twitter right before bed because yes, I am guilty. I do that. And I like actually really noticed this, and I was like, wait, this is gonna be a perfect example for my video. But I had my glasses on because I can't see anything, even my phone to my face. That's how blind I am. And I was like going, like taking them on and off and on and off and looking at the screen, and you can literally see how the, not color, but the orientation of the screen changes to a softer tone, so it's not as like in your face, even with the brightness all the way down. Like the glasses just help it not be as in your face, and so then it helps get your sleep schedule back on track because it doesn't keep telling your brain to stay awake because it sees this type of lighting. And yeah, I hope all of this is making sense. It makes sense to me. You know, leave any questions you have down below. I'll throw some articles at you guys. But EyeBuyDirect also has articles on their website. That is what I am referencing to. So they have an article all about why it is important to wear blue light glasses. It also can just help your eye health. You know, that's really important, especially if you have a job where you stare at a computer screen all the time. Maybe consider buying some blue light glasses because it'll really help you if you get headaches after a while, which I do. I've noticed that I get headaches when I'm looking at my computer screen at work all the time. So then maybe on my longest work days, which are on Mondays, I'll wear my glasses. And so yeah, they just have tons of stuff. I will link this article down below as well that I'm referring to, so you guys can get that direct information from. But overall, I think these glasses are really dope. I mean, even besides the whole blue light thing, I love my frames. So if you guys like my frames specifically, like I said, they will be linked down below, as well as all the other information you need to shop on EyeBuyDirect if you are interested. You can also buy the frames just non-prescription, and then when you're checking out, you just click the digital screen protection glasses, and those are the ones that will give you the blue light coating to help protect your eyes from the blue light that gets emitted from any of your device screens. So it's super easy peasy, and you can also add that coating to like if you're getting prescription glasses as well, you know, like mine are. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much, EyeBuyDirect, for partnering with me on this. I am very passionate about my eyewear. I love sunglasses. I love my glasses now because I finally got new frames that I'm obsessed with. And yeah, so check me wearing them all the time now. And yeah, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!